we are in the Sport Relief kitchen with superstars Sooty and Sweet. Oh wow, boys, you do look sporty today. Boys, we're baking for the Sport Relief bake sale today. Not playing football and not boxing. So get your aprons on. Oh, that's better. Oh, Sooty, bread and sausages? What are you making? The perfect hot dog. Brilliant. See, you're not just limited to baking cakes. Think outside the box. We're making the perfect hot dog. You're a hot dog! Really? You think? What's that, Sooty? There's only one thing missing from our hot dog. Well, what's that then? Let me guess. Ketchup. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.